Hey there, friends. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of leather, a material that's been part of American life for centuries, from rugged cowboy boots to sleek car interiors. We're starting at a bustling cow farm, where cattle provide not just beef and dairy, but also the world material products, cowhide. In the US, the beef industry is huge, producing over 25 million tons of beef annually, and cowhides are a valuable part of that equation. When cows are sent to slaughterhouses, they're processed under strict U.S. regulations to ensure humane treatment and safety. The hides are carefully removed, cleaned, and prepared for the next stage. This step is all about efficiency. Nothing goes to waste. The hides, which might otherwise be discarded, are set to become the foundation for leather goods that Americans use every day, from wallets to car seats. Workers remove any remaining flesh or fat from the underside of the hide using specialized machines. Once the hides are collected, they need to be preserved to prevent spoilage. This is where salting comes in. Workers either sprinkle the hides with solid salt, called dry salting, or soak them in a salt solution, wet salting. This process, done with great care, keeps the hides fresh for months without needing refrigeration. It's a simple but crucial step that ensures the hides can withstand long journeys to tanneries, even in changing temperature. Imagine stacks of salted hides, ready to be shipped off, each one a blank canvas for the leather-making process. Now let's step into a modern tannery, where the magic happens. The process is a mix of science, craftsmanship, and a little bit of art. First, the hides are soaked in water to rehydrate them and remove dirt or salt. Then they're treated with lime to loosen hair and fat, making the hide smooth and ready for the next steps. This is like giving the hide a deep clean to prepare it for its transformation. Then, the hide is split into layers, ensuring it's the right thickness for its final use, whether it's a sturdy belt or a soft handbag. The goal is uniformity, so every piece is just right. Tanning is what turns raw hide into durable leather. There are two main methods: chrome tanning, called wet blue because of its bluish hue, and mineral tanning, known as wet white. Chrome tanning is faster and widely used for products like shoes and jackets, while mineral tanning is often chosen for eco-friendly or specialty leathers. This step chemically stabilizes the hide, making it tough yet flexible. Once tanned, the leather is dyed to achieve those rich colors we love, from classic black to vibrant red. Fat liqueuring adds oils to make the leather soft and supple. Think of it like moisturizing your skin. This is where the leather starts to feel like the material you'd find in a luxury car seat or a cozy couch. The leather is dried using one of three methods: hanging in the air, vacuum drying on heated plates, or passing through a drying tunnel. Each method ensures the leather is smooth and ready for finishing touches. Workers then use embossing machines to add patterns or textures like the pebbled look on your favorite purse. Finally, ironing and pressing give the leather that shiny, polished look we all recognize. Before the leather leaves the tannery, it's rigorously tested in a lab. Workers measure its thickness, often around 2/10 for fine leather, check for imperfections, and ensure it meets strict U.S. standards. The final product is measured, packed, and shipped to manufacturers, who turn it into the goods we use every day. The leather industry is evolving fast. New technologies like automated tanning machines are making production more efficient, while innovations like lab-grown leather or biodegradable alternatives are pushing boundaries. Trade policies like tariffs on imported hides also shape the industry, keeping American tanneries competitive. As consumers demand more sustainable and ethical products, the industry is listening, investing in greener practices and transparent supply chains.